Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So it is Tuesday the 28th of January and we are at 11:52 a.m. I've just done all the crypto stuff. So we covered the total market cap, blue chip movers, and I decided I'd just do this video as a general free for all as well, just as a bit of let's pay attention to the stock market and for the guys out there who are more into the stocks and shares. At the moment, like if I'm going to go and look at the weekly, I can just see that Nvidia is poking at the bottom here. So Nvidia is bearish, and also we've got Netflix there, which is on the bottom side. So we're not looking very good on those two. And if we go and have a look at Nvidia, yeah, she turned into a buy last week, and then she's had this sell-off because of this DeepSeek competitor from China. So what I'm going to look at on the monthly is AstraZeneca looks good. Pfizer has been trying, but printed good this morning. Sorry, on Monday, and AbbVie also looking quite like it might try and do something. MicroStrategy is currently bearish, and Coinbase is bearish, and Mara is bearish. So the cryptos are looking a bit like they're in this pullback. How long will that continue? Not sure. BAE Systems looks good. Boeing looks a bit, yeah, it's a mixed bag. Tesla looks like a sell. Nvidia's a sell. IBM is a mixed. And the medicals are looking pretty good. When it comes to the FANG, we've got Facebook looking good. We've got Apple maybe trying to find some form of a bottom. Amazon looking a bit toppy. Netflix bullish, but well, Netflix itself is a sell. Netflix is a sell, but it's outperformed other stuff, so that's a strange one. I'm not going to read too much into the Netflix. Google is a sell, underperform, and MicroStrategy is a Microsoft. Sorry, yeah, Microsoft is a bit of a mix. Jump into the daily. Really, what we can have a look at this week. Where's any strength? Do we have any strength? So the strength there is Netflix. Okay, so weekly is bearish, but the daily were bullish. But this could just be a relief bounce, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Nvidia, yeah, brutal. So Facebook, Meta, Russell, but still outperform against some things. Apple looks good, doesn't it, on the daily? So keep an eye on Apple, Amazon, sell, mixed bag, Netflix, Google. Yeah, I need to keep a little tab open down on the side here so I can identify. So Netflix, um, Google, sell, mixed. Da, 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 da. Let's just have a look for anywhere. So these were looking good on the weekly, weren't they? So AbbVie looks good, Pfizer looks good, AstraZeneca looks good. So keep an eye on those. Crypto stuff is a sell, yes. And then we've got BAE, Rolls-Royce, and who else? Boeing. Um, yeah, mixed bag. BAE Systems could roll on the daily, but it's looking good on the weekly. So just watch for a few days pullback in some of these. If anything, IBM looks okay. Might find support. Keep an eye on that one. Outperform, but it's currently a sell, so you need that to really start pulling on the 4 hours and stuff like that. So keep an eye on that with your indicators. And yeah, the medicals are looking good. Who was the red over here? Was MicroStrategy, obviously, yeah, huge push. And then if we're going to look, can we see any of the medicals with strength? So we've got AbbVie, yeah. AbbVie, we've got the AstraZeneca. That was a nice push in AstraZeneca. In fact, is it AstraZeneca, sorry, or that's what I'm confusing, isn't it? With Netflix. Okay, Netflix is Burgundy, that is AstraZeneca, and then that one is Mara. Okay, so that was Mara. I'm gonna have to split this up, aren't I? Okay. Yeah, so for the moment, guys, I mean, like, let's have a look at the monthly as well. Let's just look at all the macro. Um, Back to you. Where are we at? So yeah, this was something I was looking at, wasn't it? So this was a couple of weeks we did one of the stocks and shares. And we found that Pfizer was trying to find some bottom on the monthly. So if the weekly and the daily start pulling up, these medical ones could really go for it. AbbVie has more work to do, but again, it was looking good on the weekly, wasn't it? Yep, it's trying. So they're trying. And if we do start getting some money flow over there, it could be a good move. Boeing is trying to bottom on the monthly. Meta and Netflix, look at those. That's amazing, isn't it? Um, where else? Where else? Tesla. Yeah, weekly's a sell, so it looks a bit top. We could have another push on the highs. Nvidia, beautiful mover, isn't it? Nvidia's the one that's really been the market mover. Whenever we get these nice tight lines compared against all the other cryptos, the other stocks, we know that this is the mover. Yeah, Boeing has been bearish because their planes keep dropping out of the sky. And then Pfizer, AstraZeneca, yeah. So we're looking to find bottoms in those, aren't we? We made pushes in Pfizer, yeah. Yeah, okay, guys. I'm going to release this one now. Just a couple to keep an eye on there for the medical stuff, and they could actually start finding some nice bottoms. And then on the daily, we just got to, yeah, we're still looking good on the daily. So maybe have a look at those guys. Right, yeah. Love you and leave you. Trade safe, keep safe. See you in the next one. Please hit the like and subscribe. Ciao for now.